To access the built-in tools for the interactive display, follow these steps. Tap the main menu bar on the bottom of the screen. Now, you can toggle between pen mode and brush mode. Change the pen and highlight a color. Access the mask tools for measuring and tracing. And use the select tool for cut, duplicate, and search functions. You can also click on the search tool to search the internet using either the on-screen keyboard or handwriting recognition. All these tools are just a few clicks away on the Samsung Interactive Display.